Watch the rebar circle making machine in action. The steel bar is fed smooth lie through the straightening rollers and guided into the bending section. With each cycle, the machine forms a clean and consistent circular shape. The finished rings are discharged automatically and placed on the floor for inspection. As shown, the circle diameter is uniform and easy to measure. This rebar circle making machine helps improve forming consistency and reduce manual work. This is our rebar circle making machine producing continuous spiral-shaped steel rings. The wire passes through multiple guide rollers, which keep the material stable during feeding. Then the hydraulic forming unit, the NDs, the steel bar into an even spiral shape. Each cycle is smooth, fast, and repeatable, creating consistent coils with a clean finish. This rebar circle making machine is suitable for producing circular and spiral steel components efficiently. It is a practical solution for rebar processing and custom metal forming applications.